The brilliant start was one of the best performances we had since I'm in Liverpool, to be honest. Not only the season, just the first half an hour was outstanding. Outstanding. Scored only once, but I don't think anybody expects to score 3, 4, 5 times or whatever. Don't say the chances were there. Only the how we played was just perfect. We tried to pass. We had in the right areas. We accelerated. We won the balls back. We played in behind the line, stuff like that, and it was just good.
The performance, the players, they gave everything. And when the players, they give everything, I'm never upset or frustrated with them. I have a good feeling towards them. They play in relation to their qualities, the same way the opponent played in relation to their qualities. They are fast, they are intense, they are aggressive, they are physical, they are objective. They play 200 miles per hour with the ball and without the ball. I am still tired just to look at Robertson. He makes, I think, 100-meter sprint per minute. Absolutely incredible, and these are qualities.